Are you tired of posting content manually?
What if AI could do it for you automatically? In this video, I'll show you how auto-posting saves time and boosts productivity.
First, navigate to your dashboard and select Add New Plugin.
Search for Antimanual and simply install and activate it. After installing the plugin, configure the OpenAI API key obtained from the OpenAI website, select the required models, and then save your settings. Access the auto-posting section, provide topics for your post, then specify the preferred tone, article language, content length, and any additional settings or preferences.
You can also add knowledge source files so the AI can use them to generate posts.
Schedule your posts by choosing either daily publishing or specific days based on your preference. Select a single or multiple posting time for posts and set an expiration date after which auto-posting will be automatically disabled. Click Create Auto-Posting to complete the setup. Your posts will then be published automatically according to the preferences and schedule you defined. You can disable or re-enable it at any time, or edit the preferences from this section. This is how you can save time and boost productivity by creating AI-powered auto-posting. The Antimanual plugin unlocks powerful AI tools that help you generate content and streamline your entire WordPress workflow. This AI plugin enables you to add a knowledge base, configure a chatbot, perform bulk content rewriting, generate documentation, automate BB Press forums, and much more.